Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. It's been a little bit since I made a new video. I actually came down with a cold last week, so videos were kind of on pause, even though I wanted to get all this stuff out as close to the S25 release as possible. But I'm sure you guys didn't want to hear me coughing up a lung, so I put it on hold. We're back though, and today we're going to be installing the Dome Glass AR. So this is the offering from Dome Glass this year on the S25 Ultra and most of the S25 lineup as well. So we have the blue light cut right here, which obviously cuts out blue light. That is a 1-pack screen protector, so we have that one. We have the AR anti-reflection with privacy screen, so that is their privacy one with the anti-reflective properties, which is the one we're going to be installing. And then we have the basic, this is their UV adhesion with the clear adhesive that goes on, kind of like all the other Whitestone dome glass that we've seen in the past. So that is that one. This one is a 2-pack. So we're going to save this one. We'll be doing a video on this one, excuse me, at some point, but not right now. We're going to go ahead and put this one on. So we'll go ahead and get everything set up here. And like I said, this is a 1-pack, so you only get one, which is kind of unfortunate, but that is okay. So this is what my phone looks like right now. We have the Samsung anti-reflective screen protector on here. You can kind of see what that looks like right there. There's an LED light right up here. You can obviously see the reflection from it, but it's not as harsh as it would be if this was just, you know, regular glass. So a lot of people have been asking me, what about glass ones? What about glass ones? Because obviously the film screen protectors don't offer as much protection in terms of like drops and shock and stuff like that as a tempered glass screen protector would. So we're going to be checking this one out and see how the anti-reflective properties do on it. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the box here. Everything is right there. And this one doesn't need the UV light or anything like that. This is their Express line. So there's that. I've been rocking the Galaxy standing grip case. So we'll go ahead and remove that. And really on there. I've been actually using that one for a week. Really like that case. I'm going to go ahead and turn off my always on display, just because it's easier to see when putting the screen protector on. So get this stuff out and ready here. I am going to just go ahead and clean the screen off, just to be sure. And we'll take this foam piece out, really nicely protected. You can see the privacy bit in there, what that looks like without it being on the phone. We're going to take this film off, maybe. There we go. So there's the film removed. And yes, it had a screen protector on here, but I'm going to go ahead and clean it off anyway, just because there is some stuff around the edge where the screen protector, you know, met the side of the phone. So I don't want any of that getting under the screen protector. That's why I always like to put screen protectors on my phones, you know, on day one before I even power the phone on, like I did with that one. That way when I do stuff like this, the phone is already, you know, basically perfectly clean. And like I said, sorry, I still do have, you know, a lingering cold there, so sorry for the coughs in here, but it is what it is. We're all human, it's going to happen, right? So there's that. And then we'll just get any dust off. Try not to touch the screen. Alright, I don't see anything on there, so I'm going to say we're good. Go ahead and take the back off here. Make sure you don't pull the screen protector off the tool or anything like that. And then we'll go ahead and put it down on the phone. Make sure we get that in there. And then we're just going to give it the old press and slide. And let it do its thing. They don't tell you to wait, but we're going to give it a few seconds just for everything to kind of adhere on there. And then they tell you to remove this sticker. Alright. So there we go. We do have some bubbles in there. Let's see if we can kind of work those to the edge. Yeah, those are coming up very, very easily. When you put that tool on, you want to make sure you kind of get it on there all in one shot. You don't want to like get one part of the screen to start going down before the other hits, because that's when I find that you get stuff like that. You get those bubbles in there. They do come out fairly easily though. It's no big deal. The only bubbles you have to worry about are the ones if you have like dust or something under there. But anything else will work itself out. I'm just going to take that alcohol pad here and clean off that residue from the sticker. That's what that was in the middle there. It's not a bubble or a piece of dust or anything. It's just from the tape. There we go. You can see there, same basic anti-reflective properties that we had before. It feels to be working about the same. Definitely the privacy, I'm sitting up to the left of the camera here, and when I turn my phone like this, I can't see the screen. Same with this, no side view, but the image definitely does not appear too distorted. It definitely makes the screen a little bit dimmer feeling because of that privacy layer on there, but that's to be expected. But obviously very nice, feels very, very good. As you can see there, the fingerprint sensor does have a little bit of trouble. It's definitely not as fast as it was before, but they do always recommend that you reset it up after you change your screen protector anyway, especially going from the thin plastic one to the glass. So that's probably something it looks like I'll have to do here, but it still does work. It's just not super quick, and it looks like it's kind of catching up there and actually working a little better. So I might have something on that thumb. There we go. So it does appear to be working pretty good. I'm not going to knock it for that because, like I said, they do recommend you set it back up, and I haven't done any of that. So that is the AR glass from Whitestone Dome with the anti-reflective and privacy properties on it. So I'll leave you a link to that below where you can pick one up. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.